Travelpro Platinum Elite Backpack Review. Is this the ultimate business travel hack? Ever felt like your backpack is working against you? Laptops sliding around, cords tangled, or essentials buried in a black hole of compartments? Drop a yes if this sounds familiar. Professionals and frequent travelers know that disorganized gear can turn a smooth journey into a frustrating scramble. But what if one backpack could finally solve all of that? Rushing through airports, balancing laptops, chargers, and documents, or fumbling for passports can make anyone stressed. Imagine traveling with everything in its place, protected from rain, bumps, and identity theft. Picture the relief of walking into meetings without worrying about a wet laptop or misplaced essentials. The Platinum Elite promises to streamline your travel experience, giving you control and peace of mind. Meet the Travelpro Platinum Elite Business Laptop Travel Backpack, crafted from high-density, water-resistant nylon with a sleek vintage gray finish and full-grain leather accents. It fits laptops up to 16 inches in a suspended, padded sleeve and offers a tablet compartment up to 12.9 inches. With thoughtfully designed organization, it stores cords, documents, power banks, and even a change of clothes effortlessly. The QuickSlip front pocket keeps your phone or passport within reach, while side pockets hold bottles or umbrellas securely. Its RFID-blocking ID TheftBlock pocket protects your personal data from electronic theft, and YKK zippers glide smoothly, resisting wear. A rear stacking strap slides over rolling luggage for hands-free mobility. One business traveler shared that packing a week's essentials plus electronics has never been easier or faster. Here's a tip. Keep your chargers in the interior organizer to avoid cable chaos during security checks. It's a tiny trick that saves minutes at every checkpoint. The Platinum Elite transforms business travel into an organized, stress-free experience. Comfort comes first with padded, airflow shoulder straps and a supportive back panel that prevents sore shoulders during long commutes or flights. Industry analysts highlight its thoughtful integration with Travelpro luggage systems, ensuring seamless stacking on rolling suitcases. Influencers love the combination of durability, water resistance, and stylish professional design, while real users report life-changing convenience. I can fit my laptop, chargers, documents, and even clothes without struggle, and my bag still looks brand new after a year. Every compartment is strategically placed for easy access, and the leather top handle offers a polished look for client meetings. Whether rushing through terminals, hopping in taxis, or attending meetings straight from the airport, this backpack delivers efficiency, security, and comfort. It's not just a bag, it's a productivity tool. Imagine grabbing everything you need without digging through a cluttered interior. Which feature would simplify your travel most? QuickSlip access, stacking strap, or RFID protection? Comment below and let us know. Don't wait to elevate your travel game. Join countless professionals already enjoying the Travelpro Platinum Elite Backpack for effortless commuting, business trips, and daily use. Limited stock and high demand mean now is the perfect time to secure yours. Click today to unlock the perfect combination of organization, durability, and style, and experience hands-free mobility, tech protection, and peace of mind. Transform the way you travel. Your next stress-free journey starts here.